This is Manscaped Lawn Mower 4.0 Pro Groin and Body Hair Trimmer. This product is very smooth, very comfortable, ergonomic, it's of high quality. I like the packaging with travel lock. You switch this product on and off on this button, and this can last up to 60 minutes on a full charge. Switch the lock on and off on this button. We'll show you a light, and once the lock is on, you are now able to switch the trimmer on. If you want to unlock the lock, you press this button again. There we go. I want to show you how to change the blade. You need to push this out for you to remove or change the blade. If you want to remove the blade head, you need to open up this, remove the other side, then for you to remove the blade head or wash it, and once you're done, you put it back. Then you bring this light small rod, make sure it goes back. You hear a click sound, then take it the other side. Here we go, and it's in. Then you take this. So this is how to remove or replace the blade. This comes with 2 detachable comb. Goes this way. Manscaped. If you want to remove the comb, just push it this way to remove. This is the second one. Now, if you want to charge this, just take the cable provided. This is Type-C cable. Then you need to find adapter, connect it to your adapter, then connect this end to the trimmer, then plug it on to the socket. You can see the light is on to show you that this is charging. It's very comfortable, high quality, sharp, and also you got IPX7, it's waterproof. The LED light, there are 4 lines here for the light. If it's completely blank, then it means that the battery is run out or 0%. Then if you see 1 bar on the light, it is 33%. If you see a second bar, 66%. If you see 3 bar on the light, it means it's 100% charged. So there's a light here for you to read the light. If it's blank, then it means that it's not charged or the battery is run out. So then if you see 1 bar, it's 33%. If you see another 2 bar, 66%, then 3 bar here is 100% charged. Very much happy with this. This product deserves your attention. This is Manscaped Lawn 4.0. Thank you.